Today I'm going to show you how to make a high protein, super decadent dessert that is so healthy you can even eat it for breakfast. So we're going to start by mixing 1 serving of protein powder and 1 serving of yogurt. So I already have the yogurt in here. I'm going to take a scoop of protein powder, throw it in, and then we're just going to mix it together. Now I'm using a dairy-free coconut, but you can easily do this with a dairy-based yogurt, whichever you prefer. Yogurt tends to have a lot of sugar and additives that spike your insulin and upset your stomach, so look for one with as little sugar and additives as possible. One of the reasons that I do choose a coconut-based yogurt over a dairy-free is so many of us want to get the probiotics from the yogurt. And for dairy-based yogurts, a lot of them are pasteurized, and during that pasteurization process, it actually kills off the probiotics. You're not actually getting as many probiotics as you're wanting to. I use all different types of protein powders for this mix. I like to choose ones with high protein, as few ingredients and additives as possible, and very low sugar. What I found is that the vanilla flavor tends to go well with the yogurt flavor the most, but you can do chocolate, you can do peanut butter, you can do cinnamon. I use berry as well. Choose the one that you like and what you have on hand. So from here is the best part, because now you get to choose your toppings, and you can make this taste like anything you want. Everything from a chocolate Snickers bar, like we're gonna do today, to a strawberry cheesecake. So you can put granola, cacao nibs, hemp seeds, chia seeds, peanut powder, chocolate, anything you want to make this taste exactly like your perfect dessert. I'm gonna start by putting some peanut butter on here. So you can just take a little peanut butter, ends up being about a tablespoon or less. I'm just drizzling that on there. You can do almond butter as well. And then I'm gonna take some chocolate, drizzle that on there. Ends up being like less than a tablespoon of chocolate. Just all on there. And there you have it. This is the most amazing, healthy dessert, and it tastes incredible. I love it. You can really taste the chocolate and the peanut butter, and I don't feel guilty at all eating this. The best part is 30 grams of protein in here. 330 calories, that's it. So it's perfect for a midnight snack. And only 3 grams of sugar. So I want you to go out, I want you to try this, and let me know what you think and what your favorite flavor is.